Welcome to another hair hack video. Now, repeat the same process of tying it in the form of a half pony. Divide the lower half of the hair into two parts. Tie both the parts of the hair together. Make it through the gap. Insert it inside. Tie all the parts together again and then carefully insert it inside so that it is no longer visible. Tie your hair in the form of a ponytail, then twist it in the form of a plait around the upper circular part so that it looks like a circle. Now take the rest of the part of the hair left from the side and fasten it around the circular part of the hair which you just made, and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin or a juda pin. You are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Now comb the rest of the part of the hair, tie it again with the help of a rubber band, and then divide it into 3 equal halves. Tie all the halves in the form of a plait, roll it upwards, and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin or a decorative rose pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take hair from the sides and keep inserting it through the gap. Now, the hair is also made in the form of plait from the lower side of the hair as well so that it is no longer visible. Tie the rest of the half of the hair in the form of plaits and then roll it upwards, securing it properly with the help of a juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the rest of the part of the hair, do it in layers. Now divide it into two parts, leaving aside the first ponytaily part. Tie it in the form of a plait just like this. Roll the plait upwards and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin, decorating it. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail all over again. Tie the rest of the half of the hair in the form of two ponytails. Tie both the parts of the hair and then secure it properly with the help of a rubber band. Insert it through the gap. Tie it again in the form of a plait. Then insert both of them inside the gappy part again and tie both the parts with the help of a rubber band, and then insert the rubber band tightly inside. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail first, insert a juda pin and fasten your hair around that juda pin. Rest of the hair is tied and then in two parts consecutively, putting through the gaps of the upper part and fastening it around, securing it properly with the help of a juda pin. Thank you for watching. Follow for more such videos.